Come test drive the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.